Welcome to TechTopiaX, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you have kids, pets, or just a busy household, you know how quickly carpets can collect dirt, muddy footprints, spilled drinks, and stubborn stains. So today we're taking a look at the Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet Carpet Cleaner, model FH68050. Is this carpet cleaner really worth buying? What do its specifications actually mean in everyday cleaning? And why has it become such a popular choice for homeowners? Let's find out. The Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet is an upright corded carpet shampooer built specifically for deep cleaning carpets and tackling pet messes. One of its biggest highlights is Hoover's 5-counter rotating SpinScrub brushes. Instead of relying on a single brush roll, these multiple brushes scrub carpet fibers from different angles, helping loosen embedded dirt, pet hair, and stains while providing more consistent cleaning coverage. Another feature that stands out is HeatForce drying technology. After cleaning, the machine directs warm air across the carpet to help reduce drying time. Combined with the quick clean mode, which uses less water and cleaning solution, you can refresh lightly soiled carpets and have them ready to use much sooner than traditional deep clean cycles. Independent testing has found carpets drying in under 20 minutes under favorable conditions. When it comes to capacity, the clean water tank holds approximately 1 gallon, allowing you to clean larger rooms before needing a refill. Hoover also includes its TrueMax recovery tank, designed to hold more dirty water, so you spend less time stopping to empty the machine and more time cleaning. The auto mix system automatically combines water and cleaning solution at the proper ratio, eliminating guesswork while helping deliver consistent cleaning performance. The machine measures approximately 17.25 inches deep, 12 inches wide, and 42.5 inches tall. It weighs about 19 pounds before filling the tanks, giving it a stable feel while still remaining manageable to move throughout the house. For pet owners, Hoover includes several accessories that increase versatility. Inside the box, you'll find a pet cleaning tool, an upholstery tool, an 8-foot hose, a nozzle cleanout tool, and a trial bottle of Hoover Oxy Pet Cleaning Solution. These attachments make it easy to clean stairs, couches, pet beds, car interiors, and upholstered furniture without needing a separate portable cleaner. So what do these numbers mean in real-world use? The large water tank means fewer interruptions during whole room cleaning. 5 rotating brushes provide more thorough agitation across carpet fibers, which is especially useful for high-traffic areas. The 8-foot hose expands a machine's reach for furniture and stairs, while HeatForce drying technology helps reduce the amount of time carpets stay damp after cleaning. Together, these features create a cleaning experience that's designed for both routine maintenance and deeper seasonal carpet cleaning. Another reason this model remains popular is its ease of maintenance. The removable tanks are simple to rinse, and Hoover includes a nozzle cleaning tool that helps remove hair and debris after each use. Regular cleaning of the brushes and recovery tank helps keep the machine performing efficiently over time. Whether you're refreshing an entire living room, removing pet accidents, cleaning high-traffic hallways, or freshening upholstered furniture, the Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet combines multiple cleaning technologies into one machine. Between the SpinScrub brush system, auto mix solution dispensing, large capacity tanks, versatile hose attachments, and HeatForce drying, it's built to handle a wide variety of household carpet cleaning tasks. Overall, the Hoover PowerScrub XL Pet FH68050 delivers a feature-rich package focused on deep carpet cleaning, efficient stain removal, and convenient whole-home versatility. Its combination of multiple scrubbing brushes, automatic solution mixing, large capacity tanks, and included accessories makes it a practical option for families looking to maintain cleaner carpets throughout the year. Thanks for watching TechTopiaX. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.